दिल्लीમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા.
After that, rhombus, Brackley rhombus, how it has taken. Actually, after that, question number 9 is there. 9 is what? Question number 9 is in figure this that. In figure, xy and xy dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with the same center O and another tangent AB with this. Question number 9. Question number 9, the first line is xy and xy dash are two parallel tangents. Parallel tangents, this is no any parallel. Parallelism will enter. Parallel tangent. So question number 9, parallel tangents. But what about in question number 4? The question number 4 is prove that tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. Question number 4. 4 means if you have to draw parallel tangents, you should to take a diameter. So the condition start from here. This again I have taken 4 points. These are the 4 points, but the 2 points are such that this is a diameter, and the rest one, this one and this one, you may have any one. If this is the diameter, question number 4, then it will be parallel. Tangents will be parallel. So one condition hold na. So that's why I have made here trapezium, tangential trapezium. One condition holds. One condition means these are 180 degree diameter, and rest, then these were 90 degrees. So question number 9 was there. 9, if you will make this type of question was 9, means this is the third point. If you will make here tangent, so just like this was this was a sum of 180 degree, but here in question number 9, this, because this is the parallel and this at the center will make 90 degree, means this will be 90 degree. Trapezium means this is 90 degree. If you take here point, any point here, this will be also 90 degree. So 90 has this opposes. This is the parallel, but this is these angles are equal. Second pair is equal. So if you make here 90 degree, this one, this one, yes. So this is a trapezium. Trapezium means only these are the parallel but not equal. These are not equal only. And in this condition, if you will make this one, if you will apply question number 13 here in question number 9, then you will see this is 90, this is 90, 90, and this one has been something different. Suppose it is 100, then it will be 80. But these are the equal now angles at the center, because this is parallel and this is equal. So it's very beautiful mathematics. So this was the question number 9. This was question number 8. This was question number 13. This is what? This is isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium means one side parallel, only one thing, one condition. But here parallel and equal. So isosceles trapezium, yes. For the isosceles trapezium, you should have an diameter. First condition. With the diameter, you may have two parallel tangents. Yes. So this hold 1 plus 1. What is plus 1? The plus 1 is there. The 2 points were free. You can take any point, but here these 2 points are also bound in a condition. What? This is the diameter. So this angle, if these angles are equal, then you will have isosceles trapezium. If you have taken this type of radius, means if this angle equal, means this is also equal. then you will have isosceles trapezium, and here the condition was different. Okay, so if we'll make this one, this is 90 degree because tangent, yes, so this will be equal to this isosceles trapezium, this one, this will be equal, this will be equal, and this is parallel, but this is not equal, this is parallel only, this is equal. So isosceles trapezium may be tangential quadrilateral, but a special case, you know, if you will shift, if you shift this line somewhat this place here parallel, so again this will be a, suppose this line is not here, so this line has been parallel, shift parallel, but this will not touch the circle will be different. So that's why out of all isosceles trapezium, this is the somewhat special. So that's why I have written tangential isosceles trapezium to hold the same condition, na? This one, AB plus CD is equal to this one. And you may say all types of trapezium can have tangential trapezium. If you have no. Again, if you shift this line, this one, so the length will be equal, but this length has been disturbed. So this may be not equal. So these are the special case. These are the special. That is why not all the trapezium. Here I have written all, but here tangential trapezium, tangential isosceles trapezium. So you should have any special condition. The condition is this, or you may sometimes this one. So this was question number. This was the question number 9, and after that this was the. This is not question, any question given in your book, but this happens. Isosceles trapezium, special conditions, tangential isosceles trapezium. Okay. After that, come on. Here in this direction, in kite, you know, because this side is equal to this side is equal to this, diagonal bisect internal angle. One diagonal, this diagonal bisect internal angle, but this diagonal doesn't bisect internal angle. This angle, this diagonal bisect internal angle, means this equal to this equal to this, but this does not bisect. If you will join this diagonal, na, so this diagonal will be bisected itself, but will not bisect the angle. Angle will be different here. Internal angle will not be bisected, but this diagonals will be bisected itself. By the way, we should have to find, you know, just like I have told here, you can check here, all these are angle bisectors, internal angle bisectors. If all the internal angle bisectors, you may have a one point, then you will have a circle. So similarly, this was the angle bisector. So if you will bisect it, you know, this angle, if you bisect it, because these angles are equal, so you will have a common point, and this common point will be such that it will touch all the four sides. So this is the diagonal, but this is not diagonal, this is angle bisector. So you will have a point, and this will be the you may say in radius, in center of the circle, in center. From here you can draw this type of circle. So this was I have drawn taking quadrilateral and then circle. Just come on here. If you have to draw a But you know, this is possible for all quadrilateral, all kite can have in circle. Okay, but in here, two conditions na, means you may take any 2 point first, any 2 points, but after that, two radius, but after that, make a diagonal. Make a diagonal such that, make a diameter such that this angle bisected. After that, you have to choose, you know, 2 points, two radius such that this angle equal to this one. So first condition and second condition. So that's why kite. I will show here how kite is formed. Okay. So if this angle is equal to this, so 90 degree, here 90 degree. Yes. And in this point 90 degree. In this point 90 degree. Yes. You can see, you know, if this angle is equal to this one and this angle equal to this one, so you may have this type of kite, any type of kite. And you know, when you will join this one, this diameter na, this will cut here and this will go down here, and this is the point. This is the diameter, diagonal, what I have told you earlier. And these are the angle bisectors. So kite, all the kites may have in circle. After that, rhombus, I have started na this condition. So rhombus can be start from here also, because this is this arrow. If you have taken two conditions, so you may have this one, 1 and 2. But you have taken three conditions. Three condition is what? Three condition is what? Out of this, you will take one diameter. If this is one diameter, then you will have rhombus. What is rhombus? Here, if one parallel, it will come from here also, from trapezium to the rhombus. This is trapezium, this is the parallelogram, but parallelogram doesn't contain any circle in circle. So that's why the question is question number 11. Prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So rhombus, so this is parallel, and when you will draw here 90 degree na, this one, this, then you will observe this is equal, this is equal, actually all sides are equal. So this was the question number 10. And the three conditions here, you may say this one more condition, one pair parallel. After that, suppose we talk from there, this is the diameter, you may choose any angle here. Diameter means one condition. After that, this and this, so you may take here, and you should take this angle also, means equal. So rhombus. If you take one more condition, if this angle is 90 degree, this is equal but not 90, less than 90 or more than 90. If this one more condition is added, this is 90 degree, so this is one of the diameter, and if this is also diameter, just like diameter, but this angle, one more condition is added, this angle 90 degree, 90, then here you will have a square. So this was the whole story. Square is, you know, square is regular polygon, Regular polygon, all the four sides are equal, all the angles are internal angles are equal. So that's why you will see, angle bisectors will also cut the side bisectors. This is side bisectors. Side bisectors. In class 7th, it is taught about in a square 4 types of rotational freedom, rotational symmetry. So that's why you may say a circle, always a circle in it, and a circle outside also. Always in all types of regular polygon means a circle inside, a circle outside. But here you will see in this was the whole story of the tangential quadrilateral. Tangential, the two conditions I have told, this one and one condition, or you may say property. So this is isosceles trapezium, means what type of tangential quadrilateral may be. Special, these are the tangential trapezium, tangential isosceles trapezium, the two conditions. After that, this all kite have a circles in circles, all rhombus have a in circle, and all squares. So these were the conditions of all, and these were the two special things, and this was the property. So you can say this was the question number 9. So whole the questions was made with the help of these informations. So this was the tangential quadrilateral. Tangential means circle inside and the quadrilateral outside. You have an cyclic quadrilateral. So for the cyclic quadrilateral, for the class 9, I have made same type of figure, and you will see it is very interesting to see. Again you will see here the lining is coming from here now, all this is all, this is all, this is all, but in that figure you will see the lining goes from here, this one, all. So this is the common all rectangles. You may have a circle outside. All isosceles trapezium, you may have circle outside, all. But this is the special. But if you will draw circle outside, all of the isosceles trapezium you can draw all. This will be all, this will be all, this will be all. But parallelogram neither have in circle, neither have out circumcircle. So it's a very interesting story. So just look at that video, link is given in the description, about the cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral, this will not be hold, this will not hold, all the things will come here. So must see the link is given in the description about the cyclic quadrilateral, and this was tangential quadrilaterals. So I hope you have enjoyed. So keep watching. Thank you. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय विज्ञान, जय संविधान.